All right, ladies and gentlemen, in this video, we are going to learn how to classify angles by their measures. So these concepts probably have been told to you at some point in the past of what happens when an angle is somewhere in between 0 and 90 degrees and between 90 and 180, and then maybe what it actually is when it's 180 degrees. And so let's kind of think about this here for a sec. We have a couple different options to think about. We have 4 types of angles based on their measures. So if an angle measures greater than 0 but less than 90 degrees, so somewhere in between 0 and 90 degrees, then we would call that, do we remember? That's going to be an acute angle. When we have an angle that measures exactly 90 degrees, that is called our right angle, and we denote it by using our right angle box. When we have something that's greater than 90 but less than 180, so somewhere in between, it's obtuse. And last but not least, when it equals 180 degrees exactly, well, let's think about this. When it's 180 degrees, what did it create? Well, it created a straight line, so we call it a straight angle. Now, how can we kind of help ourselves remember some of these things? Well, when it's acute, again, there's some corny things that I use to think about this, but when I think of cute, you think of kind of small, kind of baby-like, right? So when it's a cute little angle, it's a baby little angle. It's a baby little angle less than 90 degrees. All right? I have something later on in our videos when we start talking about complementary angles that'll help us remember right angles. And so I think personally, if you kind of help just remember that the acute one, I think you can remember the rest of them, honestly, when it comes down to it in the end. So I think the acute is the easier one to remember that, and then the other ones kind of fall right on into place as well too.